Fashion industry is creating 13 million tons of textile waste every year. Until the time we keep buying clothes just because we like them, but we may not need them, we stuff our wardrobes with clothes every other day, fashion industry will not stop creating this waste. Hi, I am Arpita. In today's video, we will talk about fashion waste and where our donated clothes are going. I want to ask you if you really know where your donated clothes are actually going. Usually they end up in landfills. That's what we are going to discuss today. On this channel, we cannot discuss about sustainable fashion unless we address fashion waste. I would love your support on these information-filled educational videos by subscribing to my channel and activating the notification bell. All the mentioned links in this video will be given in the description box. Chalo, let's begin. An average consumer throws away almost 32 kgs of clothes per year. Globally, we produce 30 million tons of fashion waste every year, 95% of which can be reused or recycled. In addition to all this, fashion industry is one of the most polluting industry in the world. It is a major contributor of water pollution, plastic pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. That is why what we wear matters. We all think when we donate our clothes, they are going to new people and they are reworn. But 85% of these clothes are going into landfills. Only 15% of them are reused, recycled or reworn. Let's talk about second-hand clothing. This industry has become so much in trend nowadays. Why do you think that is? It is because we keep making the clothes and we keep selling them in second hand. But we are not addressing the fact that we are still making so much clothing. All this because of our mindset of disposing clothes. Second-hand clothing shops, thrift shops are not at all bad, but it should not become an excuse for our overconsumption and overproduction. Even when we have this second-hand clothing industry, 85% of the clothing is ending up in landfill. We should keep a tab on how much we are consuming. The golden rule of clothing donation is if items are not fit for us to wear, often it is not fit for anyone else. The people who go for charity clothes end up dealing with our problems. Once we give away or donate our clothes, we don't see them. And media never shows what happens to donated clothes. It becomes like out of sight, out of mind. We have become blind to our own habits of production and consumption. Nowadays, many brands are saying that they use recycled fabric for their latest collection. But in the first place, why to create so much clothing and waste? The fashion brands call this waste as gold mine, giving them a chance to create new products. All this is to keep creating new products so they can make money. I want to address another point here. We know that 13 million tons of textile waste is ending up in landfills. I'm sure there will be some fabrics that are natural and biodegradable. The reason why fashion industry uses synthetic materials that are harmful to environment is because they are cheap. We all know that synthetic materials take more than 200 years to decompose. When they are washed, they continue to release microplastics into our water waste. Up to 700,000 microplastic fibers are released in single clothes wash. Even when we love our clothes and keep them for long, they are releasing microplastic fibers into the water waste, into our oceans. Fish are consuming this waste. It is coming back up into the food chain and we are consuming this microplastic in the form of food. Brands are using recycled plastic, polyester or synthetic fabrics to keep the plastic from landfills, but we already have so much that need to be recycled. We need to stop producing as much as we can. Only some kind of fabrics are recyclable. If we use fast fashion clothes or synthetic cheaper fabric clothes for recycling, it is of no use. The fabrics which are not recyclable go to downcycling to create rags or wash clothes. Even when these synthetic fabrics become rag clothes, that doesn't help our circular economy, which I will be addressing in my future video. Lots of videos for you to watch if you are new here. What about the facts shown on internet? The information provided on the internet may not always be accurate. The stats in real life are more higher. Many people say the facts are not accurate, so we don't need to bother about them. But at least they are giving some general idea. Fashion industry is spread out all over the world. Fabric is from one country, it gets manufactured in another country. The final garment is sold in different countries. It is difficult to collect the information from the start to the end, like fabric waste, manufacturing waste, wash waste, etc. We need to see a takeaway from every information we gather. Our individual change matters a lot. As consumers, we hold power. We need to stop buying so much. We need to shift away from that disposable mindset and start taking care of our clothes. It doesn't matter if they are fast fashion, second hand or sustainable. Make sure they add value to your wardrobe. When a brand is saying they are sustainable, generally they cannot produce in large scale. We will know when they are overproducing, have too many collections in very less period of time. We need to ask the brands how ethical their clothing line is. Comment on their social media, send them an email, reach out to them to understand how ethical their brand is. It is human nature that we get bored with our clothes and we want new ones. I have a video on wardrobe essentials on my channel if you want to watch. If you are decluttering your wardrobe, I have a video on that too. When you don't know what to do with your unwanted clothes, don't just donate it to any charity which you find near you. First, try to swap them with your relatives, friends, and find people who will be interested in them and wear them for long. Do your research to find out if there are any recycling companies or brands where you can give your clothes to. At least those clothes which you are giving them are not ending up in landfills. That's really important. Now that you know about sustainability, you don't need to fill your wardrobe with all sustainable fashion brands. The sustainable clothes are the ones that you already own. Even when you don't buy any new clothes, you can take care of your old clothes and wear them in different ways. I have many videos on my channel if you need inspiration. Yes, if you need to buy some clothes, look for a sustainable brand. I still own some fast fashion clothes. I still wear them. I'm not going to throw them away. When you are thinking of buying from a fast fashion brand, this video will be a good reminder. I hope this helped you understand where your donated clothes are ending up. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the bell. Before you leave, I have a question for you. Where do you donate your unwanted clothes? Do you give it to a charity or do you give it to your known people? Comment below and let me know. If you are still watching until this point, I really appreciate that. See you guys in the next video. Bye.